sunshine. It is really, really bright outside today. I have like windows all around me, so I am so sorry for the lighting quality in this video. I promise you, like I have been trying to get this filmed and it's been so cloudy. And then the minute that I sit down and I get everything ready, the sun is out. So who knows how the lighting quality in this video is going to be, but I'm so excited to be sitting down with you guys and unboxing my January Quirky Crate box. Quirky Crate is the best subscription box in the entire world. There is no ifs, ands, or buts with this one for me. So if you've never heard of Quirky Crate, I'm really, really excited that you're here to check this out with me. I just love this box so much because it brings me so much joy. So this is what the Quirky Crate box looks like. I'm hoping because if I'm wrong, I'm going to be wearing this outfit for nothing, because in the past, Quirky Crate will send out subscription boxes like for holidays, like a month ahead. So in the past, my January Quirky Crate boxes have been Valentine's Day, like themed, because February, they ship out the boxes on the 15th. So February 14th. Yeah. So if you've never heard of Quirky Crate, in each box, you get so many different items, but in each box, you will get a piece of flair. And I actually have a whole jacket dedicated to Quirky Crate flair, but I can't find it. Like, I just got everything delivered over here, so I'm still working on putting everything together for my apartment and working, and life is just crazy. It has been so crazy. I think we're all kind of struggling a little bit, but you will also get a purse in each box, and I love the purses that I get because they remind me so much of the aesthetic of Betsy Johnson. You also get a pair of socks in each box, and I love the socks that I get because they're so fun and festive, and they aren't like printed on. Like the socks that you get, they're patterned, and they're actually like it's like the pattern is actually a part of the fabric, if that makes sense. I'm doing a poor job explaining, but if you want to sign up for your first month of Quirky Crate, I will have a discount code somewhere popping up, maybe in the description box. But let's get inside of this. I am so excited. So actually, if you've been here with my other unboxings, you have probably seen that I always struggle to remember to get, I'm going to turn this down. Hopefully this helps a little bit. I don't know. We're doing our best. I'm going to maybe close my curtains. It just made me look spooky. That's why I didn't want to do it. I looked spooky. See, I feel like I look spooky, but we're just gonna keep going with it anyway. So let's look inside. Oh, we got a different sticker this month. Oh, he's so cute. Ugh, okay. Oh, and I always forget this, and then I always say that I always forget it, and I just never remember. So in each Quirky Crate box, I'm gonna open this back up because I hate this lighting. In each Quirky Crate box, there's also an underground artist feature, a small business. I absolutely love it. Sometimes they'll actually include items from the small business in the Quirky Crate. So I just looked at the back card, and we can just pretend that this isn't Valentine's Day themed. Okay, let's just scrap it. I'm just wearing this to match my hair. So I'm actually going to show you guys okay. So the first thing that I am pulling out is this. Let's see what it is. Oh, I know it's a little like, oh, it's so cute. Oh, I love this. Actually, I've been wanting to get one of these so bad. I've been looking around on Etsy. Oh, I love the little, that is so cute. I love the little pattern around it. Okay, I love this. Yes, love it. Okay. Oh my gosh. I was not prepared for that. Okay, this next item, I have no idea what it is. Okay, these are everyday hero pencils with capes. Simply slide the cape eraser over the pencil to create a crime-fighting duo. That is cute. Do I have to sharpen it? Yeah, it's one of those that I have to sharpen. But this would be so cute for a teacher's gift. Aw, actually, that is so cute. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is this piece of flair. And honestly, I love this. This is so fun. It's a little pin that says survived 2020. That's cute. Also, I'm seeing this cute little panda cable accessory. He's cute. I think I'm seeing something else panda in here, but I have no idea what it is. If these are like fuzzy socks or slippers. What are they? They're mittens! Oh my gosh! Oh wait. Oh, okay. That's cool. if I could figure out how to, oh, wait, am I using this wrong? Maybe it's supposed to go in my other hand. I don't know. That doesn't feel as comfortable. My hand's not even in it the right way. I think this, yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Which way? Those are cute. And then I'm also seeing a pair of socks in here. I love the bright coral. I have no idea like what the theme of these are. Oh, it looks like work from home or like hobby stuff because I see a sewing machine. I see a book. I love the color. I love that coral color. That is so, so pretty. And then the last thing that I'm pulling out, this box went by so fast. The last thing that I'm pulling out is this month's purse. Can't stop, won't stop. It's so cute. Aw. Let's see what color the chain is. I'm going to assume gold. Yeah, we got a gold chain in here. Okay, this is a cute purse. It's not one of my favorites. And it really has like a very strong, like I haven't ever experienced this with Quirky Crate purses before, but it has a really strong, like, okay, this is going to sound stupid, but it smells like Payless to me. Like the shoe store. Like it just has a very, very strong, like, chemical smell. Like, I don't know if it's like rubber or plastic. So that's everything that I got. I'm not going to say this definitely isn't one of my favorite Quirky Crate boxes. It was a little bit underwhelming. The Can't Stop Won't Stop bag was $35. The 2020 award enamel pin was $10. The Make It Happen socks were $9. The planner was $8. The cable saver was $5.99. The hero pencils were $5, and the Very Cute mittens were $18 for a total value of $90.99. This isn't my favorite Quirky Crate ever. I feel like some of the items in here are a little bit overpriced, and I don't really understand the theme either. It's Make It Happen. So I don't understand the two panda repeat items, like the cable saver and the mittens. And also it's kind of like a little bit disappointing because just like 3 months ago, maybe 3 months ago, we got another pair of mittens. They were hedgehog. I was really hoping that the mittens were going to be socks. I'm not actually sure what my favorite item is. I think I'm actually very excited about the planner because that's something that I have been looking around for. But other than that, I don't feel like there's anything in this box that made this like super special or super exciting. But I also understand that not all boxes can be 100% spot on. We all have our different opinions. So maybe this was a perfect box for somebody else. So that is everything that I got in my January Quirky Crate box. What did you guys think of this box? I hope you had an amazing new year, and I hope that everything that you want comes true this year. I can't wait to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.